underestimate the Dracula. Don't look in the eyes of Dracula. Before he takes down your brains, he take all over your blood. One blood and one bed and it's gone. It is close to midnight. Someone was looking in the dark. Another moonlight. It said, almost start your heart. You try to scream, but before time was up, before you make it. And I speak, make color dream in the night. You're paralyzed. So if it's hard, handsome guy around the tree that is hanging under the tree, don't get too close because if you see someone beside you that you've never seen before, then stay away from him. If you see handsome guy, it's Dracula. So they go too close, it's Dracula. And he will haunt you, Dracula. Dracula down to your brain. So don't break up with Dracula. Don't even divorce with Dracula. Don't escape the castle of Dracula. Dracula down to your brain. Dracula down to your brain. Oh. Dracula, Dracula, oh Dracula, 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 with those pretty eyes, Dracula. Down. A man stands in the shade and starts flirting with you. And one day you want to marry him, but you didn't realize about his true self until you see him that night. You've been together for a few years, but you don't know his secret yet. But when you're on a honeymoon, you will see a full moon. It's your castle in the night, and you say it's alright. But then you see inside the scary. The door was closed, you left with Dracula. So the king of monsters, Dracula. So don't be scared of Dracula, or he will suck your blood, Dracula. Dracula down to your brain. So the only way out is door. Cause you don't want beating Dracula. You don't want to be better by Dracula. Dracula down to your brain.
Dracula down to your brain.
Dracula, 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 Dracula. There will be monsters everywhere. There's a chill down your spine, and you crash down by a couple of monsters. Couple of monsters. Fire, fire. You want it, there's a monster behind you, it is the strongest monster of all. You will even know words. Give it to me. So don't run away from Dracula. Don't underestimate the Dracula. Don't be afraid of Dracula. Dracula's out to your brain. So don't think about the Dracula. With no pretty eyes to Dracula. He has pretty eyes, it's Dracula. Dracula's out to your brain. He's the one and only the sucker blood. And you all know him as a vampire. But he's a Dracula. So those who underestimate him should not be done that. Or else it might haunt you and get you nightmares every night. Without souls from getting down. Your body starts to shift and no mortal can resist the honor of Dracula. So don't even think for once in your life mess him up, because he's the worst monster of them all. The remain of Dracula. Kata ma. Dracula, 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 touch your prayer. Pray, pray. Dracula, Dracula, Dracula. No, no, no.